Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone call volume low problem. The frustrating that comes with iPhone volume low on calls, and it's equally irritating. You barely hear the callers talking while they listen to you and can't help because kept saying I can't hear with no clue of what's wrong. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check the silent or ring switch. If your iPhone has a low call volume, the left side of your iPhone is where you will find the ring or silent switch. When the button is moved to reveal the orange color, your iPhone is in silent mode. When the orange is not showing, then your iPhone is in ring mode. However, if you find that your iPhone is in silent mode, move the button to change to ring mode and you are done. And the next step is turn off the phone noise cancellation to fix iPhone low call volume. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to accessibility, scroll down and then tap on audio and visual. From here, turn on phone noise cancellation and you are done. And the next step is turn on hearing aid compatibility or mode. Hearing aid compatibility can improve the quality of the call, minimize interference and help solve iPhone low call sound issue. To turn on hearing aid compatibility, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, scroll down and then tap on hearing devices. From here, turn on hearing aid compatibility by tapping on its toggle button and you are done. And the next step is turn on and off the Bluetooth to fix the iPhone low call volume sound. For this, go to settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on, wait for a few seconds and then tap on it again to turn off and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings if iPhone has the low ear speaker issue. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset. Next, tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode, reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. And also you should clean the receivers and speakers. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of low call volume problem, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.